So I used to sneeze like this. I used to do this in public. And I did that my whole life, okay? And then my husband tells me the other day, let it fly.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Bless you! Bless you! You've got such a pretty sneeze.
People say that a lot.
Mine is so Punjabi, like it scares the house down. Yeah, it's not even a hashu, it's like a hashu! Like it's like a full-on long one.
Why is it that dads always have the maddest sneeze?
I have a dad sneeze.
My dad will do like 4 or 5 in a row and it's so loud it like echoes through the house.
Yeah, that's
We're
me.
like,
That's me.
Y'all ever hit a pen and it just makes you sneeze? Like I have to sneeze, I need to look at the sun. Where's the sun? Help me. There it goes, the sun helps, see? Shit, bless me. I'm back.
Cuties, guess what? We're having my world famous chicken drumstick wings. But also look what my husband picked up. We're having spiral fries on the side. We all know my 2 top tips for chicken wing situation. Parchment tape and dried off chickies. Yes, you heard me. Dry them off. Our oven is preheated to 425. I'm gonna pop these in for about 30 minutes and then we'll pull them out, flip them over and throw them in for another 30. And then, since I only had a bit of buffalo, I'm also gonna add in some chili flakes for a bit more kick. I feel like they were, oh my gosh, I'm gonna sneeze. Wow, I strongly suggest you don't just shake it. I'm gonna go to the other side because I still got pepper in my nose, because that part is easier.
Digital mouth.
First one was a sneeze that went away and pissed me off. Second one had to charge up.
Okay, so let's go outside.
So I got a lot of questions about my sneeze. The amount of messages I got about people asking, please make this a series. If I can capture my sneezes on video, like I don't know when it's happening. Sometimes it just happens, right, baby? I'm gonna answer quick, spitfire answers, right? Have I always sneezed like this? Yes. For as long as I remember sneezing, this has been it. I don't know why. I don't know the genetics of it. My mom and dad sneeze normal. Most people, most people in my family sneeze like a normal human being. What's my highest level? 14. But they stopped counting when I graduated from high school. Nobody else counts. So 14 is my highest level.
Motherfuckers. Oh, hate that shit. Oh man, I missed the first one. time I only did one. Woo!
You know what I always think about every time I sneeze? When I'm driving, I sneeze and I'm like, whoa, this would be an awful time to get in a car accident. Imagine if I don't see it. Because your eyes have to close every time you sneeze and your heart stops. Did you know that?
Cumin. That did not make me sneeze. All ground pepper. Nope. Creole seasoning. One time this did make me sneeze.
Does anybody else have like the worst allergies that they've ever had in their entire life? I literally can't breathe. I don't know if it's just like an Ontario thing, but from, oh my god, I really can't. I'm so sorry. So yeah, like between May and August, I find that my allergies are the worst, but like it's freaking October and I am unwell. I can barely keep my eyes open. I can't smell anything. I can't taste anything. I don't know if I'm the only one. I literally don't. I'm unwell. I'm not okay.
Lovely. Where the fuck? Oh, I put it in my pocket.
Machiavelli. Bitches come and go.
I used to sneeze like this. I used to do this in public. And I did that my whole life, okay? And then my husband tells me the other day, he's like, why aren't you letting out your sneeze? Like, what's wrong with you? And I'm like, what do you mean letting out your sneeze? He's like, you gotta let it out. You gotta like actually just let it fly. Let your freak flag fly. So about 4 months ago, I've learned how to sneeze properly. Oh my gosh. I'm so loud. It's like, like all over the place. Liquid all over the place. I used to like the way I sneezed before, but I really hurt myself. Like I would hurt my rib cage. I would like, my brain would explode. But now I'm letting it out. It sounds loud. There's like spit everywhere. But at least I'm sneezing properly, right? Right? It's good, right?
Damn. When someone sneezes really loud next to you. Oh wait, that's me. I'm the one that sneezes really loud.
say thank you to all of the Neese tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and support us. I feel like my hair's going off.